Hello, welcome once again. Alright, so this is like part 2 of this video for today. So after doing some research, I did find a way to fix our flow here. I just want to share that really quick here. So what we ended up doing was just using some JavaScript, and instead of defining the value for our list at the beginning here, we are defining it within our loop. So what we're doing is we're creating our list, and it's checking to see if there's a value already. So if there is a value, then use it, or set a new blank array. So if there's any values in the array, so for the first time, for the number 1, it's going to use the blank array. And then for the next time it goes around, it's just going to push the values into the array. Okay, and then we're going to return our list. So as you see, we did our test here, and now we're getting this list of sysids. Okay, so this should be in the correct order now. So we are sorting it. So basically what we're doing is when our tournament, when we're done with all the initial qualifying rounds, we're gonna set our tournament to ready from qualifier, and then here we're gonna look up all of our matches, and then we're gonna loop through all these matches, and then we're gonna update the best times for them, and then from there we are going to put them in that order. Okay, so if we look at this record here, this should have 1.253, and then this one's 1.253. This is 1.254, 1.257. Okay, so that's the fastest times, like that. Okay, so it's gonna put in that order, and then from here, we're gonna get that list of sysids. So it should be that same order here. Okay, we can't see the sysids here, but it should be those sysids in that order. All right, so the next thing we got to do now is we're gonna put this in the list. So I wanted to see if we can. Okay, I'm gonna save it to our. Oops. So let's do like we're gonna update now our record. So let's go out here. So after our loop, we're gonna take our tournament. So we're gonna update it. So let's say update record. So we're gonna update our tournament record. Okay, so actually we're gonna just drag our trigger, and we're gonna update I think it's this one, Q rank list. So this is a all right, so now that we know how to set this variable, the Q list, so if we just drag our rank list in there, let's see what that looks like. So this should be just an array. Now this one, if we want to use this other subflow that we created, this one is looking for like an object that has a little bit more detail, right? So we can still build this, but we'll have to modify a little bit when we're setting the values. Okay. So let's try this. Let's see what this looks like. So I'm just gonna do a test here. So okay, so we're just gonna add that. And let's do a quick test. So if we build that object on an array of objects, right? I think we could put those in order. Let's see what we got. Okay, so it just put that information in there. So I'm just wondering, there's a few things I want to check first. I want to see what this looks in here. Okay, so this rank list doesn't work because it's too short. So what we're gonna need to do is so the data structure is getting what is happening, because there's no max length here. And there's really no options here. Interesting. So if we go here, oh, but see the max length, it is 40 in here, huh? So what's the max we can set it to? Let's set it to the same as this. That's a data structure. And this name value pairs is also 40, see? So that would have been an issue too, so I'm gonna try both and let's see how we can use these data types. Most people don't use a lot of these data types. They use mainly like the string and integers and lists and records, but a lot of these other data types are rarely used. All right, do we want to do anything else from here? I don't think so. All right, so I guess that's saved. Okay, let's save it. Let's see. All right, took it. Great. So if we click here, oh look, the length is 100. And this one's 4,000. Huh. Okay. Yeah, because I mean, we could get a lot of length in there if we have a lot of competitors, right? Sys IDs are 32. If you have 10, you know, that's already 300. So, you know, 30, that's almost 1,000. Yeah, so over 1,000. And the list, is there a limit to the list? Huh. I don't think, is there a limit to how many things you can put on the list? Hmm. Yeah, the reason we don't, the listing is an issue is because like we can't order this list the way we want it to. Unless we add like an order to it. So, huh. Yeah, I don't know how to do that. So, let's update this form here really quick. I just want to see how this data looks in here. So we're going to add this. Oh, it's ready. Wait. What is this? Oh, that's the pair. Okay. Look at this, how this shows up in here. What the heck? Okay. Well, so the next thing we're going to try to do is to see what our list is going to look like. Yeah, because actually it's kind of like broken. So if we go back to yeah, that field was too short, so it truncated the value when we put it in there. So I'm thinking we can just do a new test, right, and see if it'll update it correctly. I wanted to look at the list here, and so like I'm gonna add on our view the queue list. Let's see, it's like broken. The value is no good. And we can't edit it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do this quick test again. Let's see. So this should at least put all the fields in there correctly. Let's refresh. All right, so at least we got our list showing up correctly now. So this queue list doesn't show up as anything, huh? Great. So I don't know. Maybe you just gotta use a string. Save that. All right, so that's what that list value pairs look like. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the XML. So our list does show up as the list in the back end. So we don't need to see it here, I guess. If there's a better representation. And then here, this is what our other list shows up as. So if we do it like this, then we'll have to kind of like, let's see, we can't like drag him, kind of like move him around from here. So I don't think this is gonna work neither. And then like if you hit that, you just delete it all. So yeah, I don't think this is gonna work for us. This one could hold the code in the back end. And maybe we can make some something to kind of like represent it on the form. So that will be interesting to see. Um, so I think we can kind of like work with this because at least that will allow us to do other things, right? So let's continue that route. So if we want to build out this this object better, so if we go back to our flow here, we are setting some values for the competitor. So let's do this. Since we wanted three things, we wanted the rank, the name, and the SSID, right? So let's make some variables for that. And we'll go ahead and make a new one for name. And let's just do one rank. So if they have the same number, then it's just gonna go to the next person. All right, just hold on a second. Oh, okay, great. So we're gonna assign our variables. Okay, so from our number 6 here, right? For each match, we got racer 1 is the one that we care about. And we got, so this is the thing. I think we need to add actually like a name for it, but we're gonna go and put the model. So the model is kind of like the short name for it. And then the rank, we're gonna do, all right, let's do some, so for the rank, I'm gonna go here and steal this. So basically what we wanted to do is like to do a count. And to do that, we're gonna call this count. I'm gonna do rank. We'll do 1. And then we're gonna plus plus, or +1 actually, +1, doesn't know. And then we're gonna do return count, return count. Okay, so this should look to see if there's a number in the rank. There is, use it. If not, it'll be 1. And then we'll take that count actually, so it's count. +1. So, wait a minute. So, okay. Okay, we're gonna do this. New count equals because we can't reassign that same thing. So we're taking our count. We're defining our count here. And then this is called a, what do you call this? This is called, it's kind of like an if statement. So we have, if there's a value on this rank, then use it. So for the initial one, we're just gonna set it to 1. And if it's already, oh, we'll set it to 0 actually, 0. Because here it's gonna add the 1. And then for the next time, it'll be 1 and then be added 1 more. Okay. All right, I think this should work. Let's take a look. All right, and then, okay, so here we're setting our values here. So we got these 3 values. We got competitor ID, then the model, and then we got the rank number. So since they're going to be set in order, so they're already being repeated in that order, now we're going to build our rank list object. So here we have our list of competitors. So now this is an array. So we gotta push. Okay, so we gotta push this ID is this. Copy. How do we do this? All right, let's build our object because there needs to be an array objects. Okay. So we got our sysid here. Comma name. And this is the array. So we gotta push the object into the list, right? Huh, like that. Let's see. That's probably it. Let's see. And then maybe we gotta do that JSON thing. So let's see what this looks like. Object. Okay, so kinda, maybe so. Okay, since it's a string, that's right. So we need to stringify it, right? To string. I don't know if this is gonna work. Wait a minute. Mm, no. Okay. So I gotta be stringify. Into string. See if we can do that. All right, let's see if this works. Because we are still putting it in an array. Let's see. Did I save it? Yeah. Hmm. Mm, okay, almost. I don't know about those slashes. I think it's taking all the blank spaces. So JSON does work in here too. Pretty cool. So let's do this. Let's make it. Yeah, because it. One single thing. Uh, Why did not take it? I just want to know if if it has anything to do with the spaces, or if it's just gonna like reformat it. Oh, yeah, it just reformats it. No, actually, hmm. So I guess the blank spaces doesn't do anything. I just want to know if it's gonna be a problem here. Oh, you know why? Because I don't have any like of the quotations. So maybe the quotations will help. Let's see. I just took out all the spaces completely. All right, this looks good. Yeah, because there's no quotations marks here at least. These don't need it. Um, that's it will still do it. Hmm. Well, because it's a string. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think that's gonna work. What's the other thing? Oh, it's a JSON. It's actually there is a flow variable JSON. So what the heck? Wait a minute. Oh, okay. Where's my code? Oh my gosh. Give me. Did it save that? Oh man, just saved. Wait a minute. What happened here? You see that? Completely got rid of everything. Damn. Oh man. The undo button didn't work. Wow. Hmm. I don't like this auto save. Force save. What did it save? Man, I gotta go back and do all that again. Okay. I was just trying to test this, man. Damn. Gotta go back and watch the video. Okay. Yeah, I did not copy it at all anywhere. Hmm. The heck is it? No. Okay. Uh, let's copy this thing. Copy, 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 copy. All right. Hey, that's when you most learn. When you gotta do stuff again. Like a drill. You gotta drill it. All right. So let's see what this JSON looks like. Object, object. Right. So the JSON one. We got flow variables. Avoid data type changes. Hmm. Doesn't say anything about the JSON one. Hmm. JSON data type. Sample JSON list of items. See, this is kind of like what I want. Yeah. Data. Oh, so it has to be like that. Okay, so let's do this. Let's see. All right, so I think we can fix that by oh, look at that. Hmm. All right, something is not right here. So we need to No. No, no, no. That's not it. Okay. How do we fix it? This is the loop. So this needs to be outside. Oh, you know what? Think. I think. Yeah, I guess I'm not assigning. Oh, no, 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 no. Copy this. Yeah, I guess you gotta find list, rank list. Let's see. Let's see. I don't know. I'm kind of think I got the issue, but it was like here's like object, object, and then here's object, object, object. One's empty. Hmm. Hmm. So I think what we need to do is we need to kind of like convert this one. I think there's something wrong because it's like returning like the whole, it's creating like inside arrays. It's trying to push the whole thing in there. So I think that's not good. So All right, let's see if this does it. I don't know. Uh, Another roadblock. All right. Well, I'll continue working on this offline, but definitely, hopefully, this was helpful for some. Till next time.